No, wait. I literally told him I am deceased.
And no, wait, what? To your landlord?
To my landlord. Because he told me his dog just died. And my brain wanted to say, I'm so sorry to hear that. But instead, I looked him dead in the eye and said, I am deceased.
Bro, I'm sorry, but that's hilarious. Why did you say that?
Because I was terrified. He speaks so fast, and his face is always so serious. The moment I feel judged, my English just, poof, disappears.
It evaporated.
Yes, it evaporated. But why can I talk to you perfectly right now, but the moment a strict-looking native speaker looks at me, I forget how to use basic verbs?
Because I'm chaotic and you don't respect me?
No, that's not what Wait, maybe? But seriously, yesterday at the cafe, the barista had this very aggressive energy. I wanted to ask, can I have less ice? But I panicked because the line was moving fast and I said, please do not make ice much.
Okay, grammatically illegal. Do not make ice much sounds like a threat. Like you're warning him about a natural disaster.
Thank you. I felt like a criminal. I grabbed my cup and literally ran out.
You can just say, could I get light ice? Or easy on the ice? It's way chiller.
Easy on the ice. That sounded so much better in my head when I replayed the conversation at 2 a.m. But in the moment, my brain stopped working.
That's actually painful because it's so true. It's not even about how much English you know. It's about safety, right?
What do you mean?
Like, when you talk to me, you don't care if you look dumb. If you make a mistake, I laugh, you tell me to shut up, and we move on. Your brain isn't wasting energy trying to protect your pride.
Huh. Yeah. When I'm with people who make me feel safe, my English just flows. I don't think about grammar rules. But the moment the environment feels unsafe, like a job interview or a crowded coffee shop, I start translating every single word in my head before saying it.
And by the time you finish translating, the conversation moved on 3 minutes ago.
Exactly. I'm still standing there thinking about the past participle while they're talking about the weather.
Honestly, we need to stop treating English like a test we're about to fail. Nobody is calling the English police because you said, make ice much.
But what if they are judging me? What if they think...
Okay, now you're overthinking the overthinking. Stop.
I can't. It's a full-time job.
Look, the point is, English feels easier when the person listening actually wants to hear you, not just judge your accents or your tenses. You just need to find your safe people.
Yeah, it really does change everything. I don't know. I feel like everyone watching this probably has that one specific situation or place where their English completely breaks down.
Oh, absolutely. What is that place for you guys? Where is the absolute worst spot for your brain to freeze up? Tell us, because honestly, we need to hear your disasters so we feel better about ours.
Sometimes life feels slow and hard. Sometimes love leaves little scars. But every day we start again. We learn, we grow, we smile again. I was scared to speak before. Now I'm opening every door. One small step, one simple phrase. English gets stronger day by day. Oh, night dreams. Life is never what it seems. Love and language take some time, but slowly everything will rhyme. Sometimes nervous, sometimes shy.